Walking down this twisted street, shadows play my mind. Every step I take echoes in the sands of time. Mirror on the wall, show me who I've become. Life's a river flowing, never can be undone. Underneath the starlit sky I find my way, through the whispers of the night, guiding my day. Life's a canvas, painted with the hues of pain. In the silence, I dance with the falling rain. In the city's heartbeat, I find my place, running through the alleys in this endless race. The clock ticks loudly, yet I stand still, chasing dreams, but it's the journey that's real. Behind every door, a story untold, lessons in the air as the world unfolds. In the quiet moments, I hear a song, a melody of life, where I truly belong. Underneath the starlit sky, I find my way, through the whispers of the night, guiding my day. Life's a canvas, painted with the hues of pain. In the silence, I dance with the falling rain. Pages of my life, turning with the breeze. In the garden of hope, I plant my seeds. Wisdom in the winds, carrying me far. In the dance of life, I follow my star. Till the echoes of the past I will go on. Then all this sold into past I want home. Last a cherry, let it soak floating. With every heartbeat, what truth is ours. Echoes of the past I'll walk alone, but in this solitude I find my home. Life's a journey ever so profound, with every heartbeat my truth resides.